Looks like sheep, looks like football, looks like a pub, looks like a doggy training centre. Beautiful birds in the background. We're going this way. We'll start with the horses. Chestnut over in the far end, black one just here. Black one is super friendly. He'll come towards us. Then he's going to walk on there. He don't do horses. You on the Blackie? Hello. 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 Hello, gorgeous. Hello. Past the horses, into the field. Not sure if we're going through this gate or if there's an exit in the corner there. Ooh! Now, the last time we came through here, this was all maze. It was really, really quite spooky. We couldn't see where we were going. Remember this? All right, a proper spooky alley. Not spooky once you get in it, but did look dark from the outside. This is nice. On a hot summer's day, a bit of cool shade. Quite nice, thank you very much. So Chunky has said let's walk around the outside of the field. The public footpath technically goes right across the corner, but he has decided we'll go around the crop rather than across it. That's very good of him, isn't it? Okay, we've left the field behind. 2 more fields. Past the solar farm. Turn left, back to the car. Whew, hot one today. We've not seen a single human being on this dog walk. Another field that we're skirting around the edge of. But what I will say is on a beautiful English summer's day, there aren't many better places to walk than Wiltshire. Okay, this is a grass field, fallow field, probably hay field. But we're following the footpath, albeit we're creating our own. But there is a public footpath on this line. I am following Ordnance Survey maps perfectly on the dotted green line, diagonally to the corner. Lovely. Right, Chunky has pointed out to me that there's a public footpath that way and one that way. We want to take this way towards EASTON PIERCY and then cut a little bit left to pick up the car. Okay, last stretch, we managed to shorten some of the road by cutting through the farm. Spoke to the farmer, he let us use his land, and this last stretch is on the road. Alright, this is the end of our dog walk. Only in Wiltshire do you have to follow a pheasant, and you can do this. It don't make a difference, it ain't moving for you. Unbelievable checklist that is, unbelievable. Go on, yes, go on, jump left. Go on, jump left. Yes, yes, yes. Jump left. Oh, outrageous. I wonder if I can overtake him on the inside. There we go, he's on the grass. Arrogant little shit. Baby. Looking for one of his famous ice cubes. Oh, that looks nice. Ice cube. Off he goes to the garden to lick and chew his ice cube. It's a lovely sound, that, isn't it? That is my dog cleaning his teeth, cooling down and getting a little water, all in one go. Lovely. Hope you've enjoyed. See you again.